Hello, gamers. This is my resolution to fail faster. If you don't know, I'm ThirdxTrick. I stream single-player experiences with a preference on horror games. I'll occasionally play multiplayer community games. I have a positive community, and I have some of the spiciest dad jokes this side of the Mississippi. Today, I'm announcing my resolution to fail faster. And what this means is I am opting to create more content more regularly in order to make the bad content at first turn into good content after practice. So I also want to do this more often than just edit gameplay, because it's weird when you're just looking at your gameplay and like trying to cut it into spicy, funny, memey moments. I would also like to create content to help creators become more confident in themselves. Try saying that 5 times fast. I just want you to know I failed saying that like 3 times in a row. And maybe introduce some philosophy that's helped me become a reformed
toxic gamer.
If you see me looking over here a lot, that's because my recording software is over here. But right here is like my bullet points. Maybe I'll make a video about what toxic gaming is, like my perspective on it, and you know, the perspective of others. I think it's a really cool question. The whole concept of failing faster is the idea that the more you practice putting content out, the more you practice creating, the better you get at it. So if you do it faster, you will get better faster. I don't know if that's true, but we're gonna try it because it's better than being a dead YouTube channel. I'll link an article talking about how creativity is something that you can prosper by just creating, going outside of your comfort zone, creating opportunities, and making unexpected connections. I should have put an and. Oxford commas are weird. So you can expect a lot of philosophy being translated to the gamer world, like stoicism. You can expect arguments on a positive outlook, helping you as a creator prosper. Some humanist points of view and memes.
I love memes.
This has actually been a very short recording for me, which is awesome. Hopefully I'll get it edited and put up real quick. Feel free to follow me on all of my social medias, such as Twitter, YouTube. What else do I have? I have a TikTok. Maybe I'll make stuff on there. Also follow me on Twitch, because I like to make content on Twitch, and I like to, I like that. That's cool. We do things there. You can be part of that there. Oh, I have Instagram too. Shit! Follow me on Instagram.